Flooring installation troubleshooting, solutions for homeowners. Discover the solutions to common flooring installation problems and ensure a smooth process from start to finish. Introduction. As a homeowner, you know the challenges of major repairs. Furniture moves around, and you can't access everything. Flooring repairs are no different. That's why addressing potential problems early is crucial. Importance of addressing problems. By learning how to identify and solve flooring installation issues, you can avoid costly mistakes and maintain clear communication with flooring professionals. The installation challenges of flooring. Each type of flooring presents its own challenges. Let's take a closer look at some common issues. Poorly prepared subfloor. Solution: assess the subfloor for damage, levelness, cleanliness, and moisture content. Mistakes in measuring the space. Solution: use precise measuring techniques and tools to calculate the area accurately. Insufficient or improper tools and materials. Solution: research the appropriate tools and materials needed for the specific flooring type. Different types of flooring. Hardwood flooring. Beautiful and durable, hardwood floors require proper acclimation, moisture testing, and installation techniques to prevent warping and gaps. Engineered wood flooring. Engineered wood offers stability but still requires attention to detail during installation. The subfloor must be clean, dry, and level to avoid issues like cupping or buckling. Laminate flooring. Affordable and low-maintenance, laminate flooring can still suffer from moisture damage. Always install it on a well-prepared subfloor that has been tested for moisture. Vinyl flooring. Versatile and water-resistant, vinyl flooring needs a level subfloor and a consistent temperature to prevent warping. Take care when placing heavy objects on it to avoid creasing. Tile flooring. While tiles are durable and attractive, they can crack or loosen if not installed on a level and well-prepared surface. Carpet flooring. Carpet offers comfort and insulation, but it requires proper maintenance and cleaning to prevent issues like staining and mold growth. Preparing and planning. Proper preparation and planning are crucial for successful flooring installation. From measuring the space to ensuring the subfloor is ready, attention to detail is key. Installation errors. Common installation errors include incorrectly installed underlayment, flooring not properly acclimated, using the wrong adhesive or fasteners, insufficient expansion gaps, incorrect pattern or layout. Post-installation issues. After the installation, you may encounter issues such as squeaking floors, gaps, or uneven surfaces. Maintenance and repair. Proper maintenance and timely repairs play a crucial role in preserving the beauty, functionality, and longevity of your flooring. Regardless of the type of flooring you have installed, consistent care can help prevent more significant issues and save you time and money in the long run. When to seek professional help. While many flooring installation issues can be resolved as a homeowner, some situations require professional assistance. Be sure to obtain multiple quotes and compare costs, the scope of work, materials, and warranties. This way, you can be sure you're making an informed decision that best suits your needs and budget. Finally, as you communicate with the flooring installer, explain your requirements, budget, and timeline clearly. Want to learn more about flooring installation troubleshooting and solutions? Visit our website for detailed guidance and expert advice.